Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making two popular whiskey sour riffs, the Amaretto Sour and the New York Sour. The New York Sour is iconic for its red wine float, and Amaretto is just simply a delicious, nutty liqueur. You'll also need a frosty coupe for both. For ingredients, the base ingredients will be the same: a well-priced bourbon like Buffalo Trace or Maker's Mark, lemon juice, optionally egg white. Currant egg whites are just as good. Where they diverge is the New York Sour will use rich simple syrup, and a dry, bold red wine like Cab Sauv or Malbec. And for the Amaretto Sour, it will surprisingly have Amaretto. I like Disaronno, but some will say Luxardo is the superior bottle. Agree to disagree. And Luxardo maraschino cherries for garnish. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin or tins, and jigger, and measuring out 1.5 ounces of bourbon per drink. Into the tin. And then once more for the second tin. Next, the lemon juice. Measure out 3/4 ounce and pour it into tin number 1. And repeat again for tin number 2. For the New York Sour, you'll be measuring 1/3 ounce of rich simple syrup, into the tin, for the Amaretto Sour, measure 3/4 ounce. No, make that 1 ounce of Amaretto, into the tin, and then you'll need your egg white, which you'll be adding 1/3 ounce to each tin. Number 1, and then again for number 2. Add a large cube to each tin so you can get it extra frothy. No need to reverse dry shake or anything like that. And then shake each tin well for about 30 seconds. Grab your chilled coupes from the fridge or freezer that you planned ahead for, and then double strain each cocktail. With the New York Sour on the left, and the Amaretto Sour on the right. And with the remaining room you have in the left coupe, carefully pour your red wine float down the back of a spoon. 5 to 10 mils will work. Now doesn't that look marvelous? For your Amaretto Sour, grab your maraschino cherries from the fridge, pick one you like, and dunk it into the cocktail. or bounce it on the rim like so. Let's take an aerial view. I love the way the red wine looks, and there's something about the cherry dunked in the froth. Now for the most important part, the taste test. The Amaretto Sour is delicious. It's sweet, it's sour, it's nutty, and you'll love it. Some make it with just Amaretto, but I find the bourbon helps keep the cocktail well balanced. And for the New York Sour, also a tasty treat. It brings the boldness of the red wine to elevate the whiskey sour further, adding fruitiness and bitterness to create a new classic. If you like a good whiskey sour, I implore you to try both of these. They're both excellent in different ways, and I'm yet to find someone who doesn't like the Amaretto Sour. I also often serve it on the rocks without egg white, with a 1:1:1 ratio between bourbon, Amaretto, and lemon juice. And it's equally excellent. Thank you all for watching. If you have a favorite whiskey sour riff or want to see me make more, leave a comment down below or hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Cheers.